How to attach files in Google Chat conversations. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now go ahead and open the conversation where you want to send the file. With Google Chat, you can send a direct message to anyone with a Gmail address or Google account. Google Chat provides direct messaging, group conversations, and spaces which allow users to create and assign tags and share files. It helps workspace users to connect and collaborate to get things done. It's a team messaging application complete with rooms for teams and projects. Google Chat allows you to hold chat sessions with friends and group of friends either on a formal or informal basis. If you want to attach file, at the bottom left corner you will find this plus icon. Click on it. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of files. Now select the file that you want to send and then click on open. If you want to add anything along with the file, you can type in and then send it. So this way you can easily attach files in Google Chat conversations. By applying the same process, you are able to send files in other conversations as well. I hope now you guys are clear about how to attach files in Google Chat conversations. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.